You can call also 400 or
1
Yes. For info.
How long ba is the course?
The 10 months course.
Oh. 10 months? How many
Once a
times?
week. Once a week for 3 hours.
Once a week for 3 hours. Kaya pala 10.
Kaya 10. Kaya 10 months.
Pero kung everyday ka papasok, malilesen yung month.
Hindi pwede. Kailangan na.
Sorry. Baka sila hello school nila eh.
Just like
Oh. So,
What about mine?
Ayan with Malin? Of course. That is shower.
So
Nice.
lovely.
I told you. Nice. Alam mo,
congratulations.
cabbage rolls lang pala yung puhunan. Uy, sindihan mo yung sa atin. Ay, sindihan ba? Mayroon ako kayong lighter? Ay, social ng lighter niyo pang mayaman.
Divisory as usual.
Myla, asan yung sayo? Alam mo,
You can find everything there.
Ta-da!
Tried my best.
Ganda nga yung sayo eh. Kasi nakikinig ka kay kuya eh. Kasi no?
Yay!
Ganda. In fairness.
We have a reference book
Ano
that
lang
we're
yun?
using. Yes. And this has been edited by members or accredited members of
Parang yun yung pinaka-syllabus ninyo.
that's right,
Oh.
of the American Institute of Floral Design.
It's
And we
nice,
have
no? It's
only
sort
one
of
accredited member in the Philippines, and she's teaching there.
Okay. And she's
Evelyn
teaching there. Alright. Thank you so much, Anton and April.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ano, thank you. Makasama ka ba?
I can take it to them for teaching us.
Oo. Ayan. Gagawin niya sa inyo, ha? Matutuwa ang lola mo niyan. Pakita mo yan kay Jeff mamaya. Magkasama ulit sina Jeff at Carla para naman kwentuhan ng tayo tungkol sa mga aabangang scenes sa upcoming episodes ng Rosalinda. Stay with us. Ando Jose, ano-ano nga ba ang mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan nila? Pero mas curious akong malaman, Wilmalin, kung yung kinikwento nilang sweet na daw off-cam ay totoo din. Oo nga. Ay, nakita ko yan doon sa ano natin. Yung babae nga sabi ko, ay gusto ko ganyan lang ako, Leaning Tower lang, gano'n lang, yun lang. Sabi ko, sila ba Wilmalin? Sabi niya, palagay ko, kasi yung kamay ng lalaki, wala naman daw camera, pero nandito lagi sa likod. Tapos yung babae nakagato lang, Leaning Tower. Sarah. We are back with Jeff and Carla. Ano nga pa talaga kayong dalawa? Straight to the ano na yun. Yes, the rest of the bawat sinungaling sa amin dito na nalaman na.
To be honest, hindi naman kami.
Ay, ba't namumula kayo? Sorry.
Baka mainit
Kasi daw sabi ni Maria. Diba yung sabi nila? Oo, hindi daw sila.
Hindi kami, honestly naman yun. Honest kami, hindi talaga.
Wala naman point para itago din naman namin, di ba? Kasi lalabas din naman siya eventually. Bakit pa naman tatago? Papahirapan pa namin sarili namin.
Oo nga. So, hindi pa. But maybe because you're attached to other people. No?
No.
Hindi din. Also, there's hope. Hope springs eternal. It does. Ano yung mga sweetness na ginagawa ni Jeff sa'yo, Carla?
Madami. The simple things actually. Naghihintay, sabay kumain, sabay umuwi, yung mga ganon. What else pa ba? Making sure lang that I'm okay all the time. Magdadala siya ng food or what. So, ganon. Simple things lang to make me feel.
Like, anong dinadala? Anong kuling dinala niyang food?
Food, marami na yung nadala. Usually chocolate o kaya cake, ganyan. So,
Ang sweet.
Sobra.
How sweet is she naman to you, Jeff?
Madalas, ang inaano niya, ginagawa niya sa akin kasi pinapawisan ako lagi kaya sa tickets because of the lights and all that. So siya nagpupunta sa bows ko. And minsan sa damit ko, she compliments me on how I look.
If she likes how you look, she
Yes.
really says, mas
Yes,
bagay yan
yes.
sa'yo. So, tanay natin si Jeff. So, sino kay Rosalinda at Paloma ang kahawig na ugali ni Carla sa totoong buhay?
Sa totoong buhay. Actually, a little of both. Kasi yung kabaitan niya, love for her family, very much like her. Pareho sila ni Rosalinda doon. Pero yung may ugali din naman ni Paloma na siya yung she's gonna stick to what she really believes in. Yung beliefs niya, papaglaban niya yun. Yung mga ganun.
Carla has here with her some memorabilia na gather niya all throughout her stint as Rosalinda, and I'm sure she's still gathering as she goes along. Let's talk about some of them. There's the dried rose
yes,
here.
this dried rose is the very first rose na ginamit ni Rosalinda nung in love na sila ni Fernando Jose.
Nung in love
Yes,
niya.
kasi yung first niya was white eh.
Oo.
Diba? May story yung roses na ginagamit ni Rosalinda. Nag-start sa white, naging pink, kasi kasi eventually red nung in love na sila. So, ito yung red.
Natago mo pa siya,
Natago ko pa siya. In fact, nilagay ko siya sa altar.
Ay, how cute.
Kasi parang ino-offer ko kay God. Sabi ko, thank you for everything, all the blessings. Ito ko lang siya nilagay. Natago ko siya.
Oo, itago mo siya talaga, Carla.
Yes.
Diba? Markado yung role niya as Rosalinda.
Ito,
Pero wala
ito.
kang
This is
basa.
part of a breakdown that we use. Kasi di ba, pag taping, may breakdown normally. 1 or 2 pages yan. So, ito, second page na to. At first few months of taping Rosalinda, sinusulat, sige, sure. Sinusulat ko talaga yung lines ko. I would rewrite my lines.
Why?
To memorize
Okay,
better.
that's your way of
Ito,
retaining
peace of mind. Ngayon, hindi na masyado nasanay na mag-memorize ng lines.
Bakit ang dami nung smiley
Yan,
dito?
ang
Smiley.
Kasi, tingnan mo, kita mo siya, breakdown siya, tapos nire-write ko yung lines ko, di ba? Yung taping day na yan was when Fernando Jose and Rosalinda had their first kiss. Ay, o, diba?
How long did the kiss
Parang matagal eh. Kasi, parang ilang takes din ata yun eh, kung naalala ko. Ito sa difficult scene kasi nanggaling kami sa away. So, first time na mag-away ni Rosalinda and Fernando Jose.
Sabi siguro
Kasi
nila
eventually,
habang
nagpati sila.
nag-aaway sila. Kaya ano na, mag-aaway na tayo mabuti kasi magkikiss naman tayo mamaya. Ayun.
Sobrang hirap ng scene na yun kasi first time ko eh, na may conflict, ang away-away, tapos mamaya magkikiss.
Ano kaya yan, Will Malino? Sige,
Ayan,
ano na yung kiss? Let go na natin.
Yung dress na yan, yung sinuot ko sa cinema vlog ng Rosalinda, yung trailer. So, first time ko yun na nagmukhang Rosalinda. Nag-dress ako as Rosalinda with hair, makeup, everything, that dress. So, binigay yan sa amin ng stylist namin para remembrance. Yan, kumakayutan. First time ko na-feel yung moment na yun na this is it, I'm Rosalinda. Oo, nung humarap ako sa mirror. So,
And it's really nice to keep memorabilia because it brings you back. Oh, eto na, baka magsasawapunta to. Baka yung notebook.
nilagyan ko ng smiley.
Kaya pala tayo nandun sa kiss because of that. Smiley. Upcoming scenes. What's
Marami
there?
pa. Sobrang dami pang scenes eh. It's not more than the scenes, it's really the story eh, how it goes. Recently lang umamin na si Rosalinda. Umamin na si Paloma na siya si Rosalinda. So yes, alam na nila Fernando, ni Pedra, the whole family, alam na nila na si Paloma nagpapanggap lang palang as Paloma. So,
Si Rosalinda nagpapanggap lang pala siya.
yes,
As
that's
Paloma.
correct. That's the way.
Okay.
Yun. So marami pa. You'll see kung anong reactions nila, kung tatanggapin pa siya ni Fernando Jose, and kung magiging sila ulit. Yes.
Lagi may confrontation, lahat ng scenes namin together. Kasi nagkaaminan na nga, ang tagal na hindi nagkikita. So, kaming dalawa and with everyone else around us, puro conflict. Kasi puro sikreto yung mga nangyayari. So, naglalabasan na lahat yan.
Ano na ang level ng komportable niyo sa isa't isa?
May level.
Oo.
Level 1 to 10, gano'n.
Wala,
Hindi ko alam.
Well, pero siguro napag-uusapan namin naman lahat. Anything that regards work or outside work.
Ano lang, to the point lang na we can share anything to each other.
Pawis na pawis siya.
Oo.
Saka, namumula sila. Napapagano siya. Sayang, may personal questions sana. Sige na. Given a chance, may pag-asa ba tong lalaki sa'yo? That's my question.
Hindi natin malalaman, to be honest. Hindi natin malalaman.
Siyempre, nakasama mo siya, alam mo siya. Hindi, but really, in the industry, they always say that Jeff is so nice. Yes. And then Carla is also nice. So, two nice people together, why not? Oo. Tsaka ang ganda ng anak ng dalawang yan.
Ever.
Oh, to be young. If ever. Pero may chance. May chance.
Meron, syempre.
Meron naman pala. Dahil dyan, thank you so much. Kung mag-invite kayo, Rosalinda.
Rosalinda, gabi-gabi pa rin. Matagal pa tayong magsasama. Nako, marami pa kayong dapat abangan and panoorin. So, hopefully, everyday kayong manunood pa rin.
Kaya marami pa rin mga ups and downs sa mangyayari sa story.